Hello. My name is Ayman Khoshouey, Assistant General Manager in Gulf of Suez Petroleum Company. GUPCO. My rules in maintenance planning and scheduling and cost reporting for maintenance divisions. Using the most famous software in this field. IBM Maximo. My neighbors, Special Projects Engineering Department asked me to help them redrawing a groups of scientific curves. Used for two-phase flow calculations. As you see in this, two-phase flow is used in many industrial applications start from nuclear engineering to biomedical and pharmaceutical. I get this list from Microsoft Bing search engine. They need to scan the curves and get at least 5 to 7 points at least to draw the curves again in Microsoft Excel. Lockhart and Martinelli's correlation 1949, experimentally indicates the pressure drop in two phases and plotting curves versus X in a similar way to that shown in the view figure. As they define the following flow regimes, T, turbulent, V, viscous. Case 1, both liquid and gas phases in turbulent regime, TT. Case 2, turbulent flow in the liquid phase and viscous flow in the gas phase, TV. Case 3, viscous flow in the liquid and turbulent in the gas phase, VT. Case 4, both phases in viscous regime, VB. Because the equations to get delta pressure required 2 pages of calculations. Engineer Mohammed said request this help from me as I have a little coding background. I asked myself why we need to draw the curves again. It already exists and used successfully from 1949. The idea jumped to my mind instead to recognize the curve to get points. I will recognize the curve and read it point by point. How? As Mr. Boudouin, the British Petroleum General Maintenance General Manager said to me one day. Success simple idea is a great idea. The simple answer is colored it? Yes, the simple solution is coloring each curve. There are 3 curves. With the 3 main colored red, blue, and yellow. Now, the task of the code changed from scan the recognize the curve to be just check pixels color. With this simple flowchart diagram, it is the bridge between programmer idea and programming code. You can see the simple calculation steps. 1. Edit parameters values. 2. Click calculations button. 3. Get results. If agree, it will complete the next step. 4. If not, return to the editing form to modify parameters. 5. The final form shows the delta P in PSIG unit. After drawing the flowchart, I started edit code using VB.NET and build simple UI user interface contains all parameters fields grouping together as recommendations from my customer's special projects engineering team. The challenges. How can I colored curves with high resolution? The scale of X, Y-axis is logarithmic scale. With good luck, the 2 issues solved in the same action. I resized the curve image to be 1000 * 1000 pixels. Manually colored curves using Microsoft Paint. Developed small subroutine to convert values of X from calculations to logarithmic scale and get O value from curve and vice versa. Next targets. Auto-colored of curves. Select few points and use curve function in code. Units converter embed system in the software. Multi-types curve software pump performance curve, motor performance curve, any similar use. Note. I promise to keep the software free for all Egyptian companies, if you register with the company email and not your personal email. Thank you for your listening.